just going to try and show you how the parking works. So if we put the parking on here, that's parking, searching for parking space found, release steering, select reverse gear, drive backwards. So here we go. Drive backwards. That's looking a bit close to the curb to me, but let me just see. Drive backwards. No, actually, it is absolutely perfect. It's right. This is a 2 or 3 inches to the curb. Let me just, hopefully, you'll be able to see out of that. There you go. So that's it. That's. I've got to say, there's a lot of modern things I don't like on cars. A lot. Electronic handbrakes, digital service histories, the iPad screens, touch switches.
Please turn next right.
Sat navs that interrupt you when you're trying to make a video. But the parking, that is a real good system.
You will arrive at your destination on the right after 150 yards.
Shut up.